Nice. Anyway, hi guys! I used to be an actress my teenage years, and now I do hostings as well.
That's entertainment.
That's entertainment. A show that me and Nina kind of shared as well growing up. And my sister, Charmaine Arnaiz, is very good friends with Benita. So, yeah. So it's nice to co-host tonight. We'll be the ones playing the adult and kids games. Let's see how we're gonna make that fun tonight. Thank you, Robert and family.
What will be our
Hello,
first?
DJ Tay. My microphone.
Yes. Let's have our first game tonight.
Wanna do it?
Yes.
But how about, is everyone okay to do that already, or are you still full? But this is gonna be very simple.
That's fine.
I just need like 3 people per table.
Oh, cute.
Yes.
To participate.
Men, women,
At least
children.
25 people. It's gonna be fast.
Yes, okay. You need how many?
25.
25, 25.
25.
Mix.
You gotta participate, guys.
Let's have some games. The
Okay,
children
let's
can
go.
be here too.
This is very simple and fun. I need James' son as well. Cody.
Come on, let's
I need
enjoy
the
some
kids.
Let's go.
Cody, I need you, babe. I need Jameson too, and all the kids. Come
Yes.
on.
All the kids, come
All
on.
the kids. Can you join me?
Kids. Andy, si Andy.
Come on, you join.
Andy, go. Kala ko ano ka, bata pa.
Come on, join. Yes, come on, let's join some.
Teka.